This is Amaya attempting to eat with a fork. Let's watch what she does. I'd already put a piece on there, but she decided to try to stab it anyway. Nice, it's so cute. See her fake stabbing. Stab, stab, stab. Oh, I'm gonna take a... Hey! Stab it, Maya, like this. Stabbed. It's stabbed, Maya. Now eat it. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. In your mouth. In your mouth. In your mouth. Ah! In your mouth. Ah! No? Okay, with your hands. That's cool too, I don't care. You'll learn eventually. Doesn't have to be the next 3 months or so. It could be whenever. Oh. Okay. Alright, so that's what you're going to do. You're just going to put it there. Here's bread and eggs. That's breakfast. Anyway.